Hi. Nowadays, synthetic ingredients are being replaced by natural ingredients. At BTSA, we've been helping the industry take the step towards natural solutions for over 30 years, without sacrificing performance. The market already demands it. 78% of consumers choose products formulated with natural ingredients and are willing to pay more for them. And in food, cosmetics, and nutraceuticals, demand is growing at over 15% annually. At BTSA, we facilitate the transition from synthetic to natural ingredients with safe and effective solutions. Natural tocopherols to replace synthetic antioxidants like BHA and BHT. Natural vitamin E for all markets. Custom antioxidant blends tailored to the product and application. The transition must be committed to performance. That's why it's important to test the solution and make the necessary adjustments to product manufacturing processes. Our natural ingredients offer proven stability, results equivalent to or better than synthetic ones, increased perception of premium quality for the consumer, greater purchase intent, more opportunities, and increased loyalty for a more sustainable business. Over 70% of brands seek clean label certifications, but only 1 in 4 products meets the most stringent requirements. With our customized natural ingredients, we help you simplify reformulation and move towards cleaner, more competitive labeling. Our solutions are driving innovation. Our natural ingredients provide essential antioxidant protection and combat oxidative rancidity for food, cosmetics, nutraceuticals, and animal nutrition formulations. Our brands are tailored to the markets: Tocobiol for food, Bioxin for cosmetics, Nutrabiol for nutraceuticals, and Oxabiol for animal nutrition. Our solutions are available with specific ingredients in formats suitable for every market. Natural isn't a trend. It's a necessary evolution. And at BTSA, we know how to guide you there with technical certainty and commercial value. We offer comprehensive technical support and laboratory analysis services to facilitate the transition. BTSA. Designed by nature. Download now our free guide for transitioning from synthetic to natural ingredients and contact us.